Welcome to Generations Real Estate and Auction. We're a real estate brokerage and auction company licensed in Kansas and Missouri. We list and sell residential, commercial, and land real estate, including large ag parcels, using both the traditional method of marketing and the auction method of marketing. Generations Real Estate is the unquestioned owner of one niche in the marketplace. If you or a loved one is preparing to downsize to a smaller home or retirement community, Generations is uniquely qualified to assist you from start to finish. These estate liquidations and transition services are the source of most of our online auctions. HiBid is a powerful and proven third-party platform we use to host our online auctions. This short video will help guide you through the process of registering and bidding in one of our auctions. You may access HiBid using a computer or mobile device. This video uses screenshots from a computer, but the view and process on a mobile device is virtually the same. To begin, look at the top of the screen and you'll find a menu in the blue bar that allows you to log in or register for the first time, view current or past auctions, and join our mailing list. If you're using a mobile device, the menu is accessed by clicking the gray lines in the upper right corner. To find out more about an auction, click on the Auction Details tab in the lower left corner. All of the details about this auction are listed here. In that lower left corner is also where you can find very specific information about the terms and conditions, the bid increments, payment information, and how shipping and pickup are handled. We receive many calls about shipping and pickup. It's all there. Just click on that tab. Let's take a look at the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions are unique and specific to each particular auction, so be sure to review them as they will vary a little from one auction to the next. Next, let's review the bid increments. The bid increments are preset and change as the bid advances higher. For lower priced items, the next bid is $1 more than the current bid. Higher priced items have larger bid increments. These increments are designed to reflect what we would do, exactly what we would do in a live auction. For example, I bid $1 now 2, you bid $2 now 3, $1 bid there, and then $4 bid now 5. Or I bid $500, now $500 and a quarter, now $500 and a half over here, bid $550, now $75. Our experience with live auctions guided us to these logical preset bid increments. Let's go back to the home page. In the lower right corner, you'll see a button in the gray bar that says View Catalog. Real estate auctions may have only one auction lot. Estate sales and business liquidation auctions include several hundred. We're now looking at an estate sale with 260 auction lots or auction items. Each auction lot can be viewed in 3 levels of detail: the condensed view, the tile view, and full view. Clicking on the photo of an item will open an enlarged view. Here, you will find images, videos, detailed information, and any supporting documents. If you have completed registration, you may now click to bid on any item. You can see the bidding history of an item by clicking on the blue number of bids beneath the current high bid. You can place a bid at the next available bid increment or place a maximum bid, and the system will bid automatically on your behalf as necessary at the next available bid increment, but only up to your maximum bid and only if necessary. If you have any questions about an item or about the auction in general, click on the blue Contact Auctioneer box and we'll call or email with a response. That's a quick tour of how to navigate one of our online auctions. Thanks for watching and thank you for your interest.